Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. So I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat app right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on me. Go ahead and click on pay and services. Go ahead and click on wallet. Go ahead and click on ID info. Then you have it right here. Rename authentication status. Verify. It's that simple. For more tutorial about how best to use your WeChat app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.